Video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ZoomInfo to HubSpot. Whether you're looking to streamline your sales processes or enhance your marketing outreach, integrating ZoomInfo with HubSpot can be a game changer. Let's dive right in and take it step by step to make sure everything is set up smoothly. First, navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the HubSpot URL. Once you are there, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually at the top right of the page, and enter your credentials, your email and password to gain access to your account. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot home screen. From here, access the HubSpot marketplace. Look for an icon, often represented by a storefront symbol, which will lead you to the marketplace section. Clicking this icon opens a doorway to thousands of apps and integrations tailored to your business needs. Once inside the marketplace, your next task is to find the ZoomInfo app. Navigate to the app section, which provides a list of applications available for integration with HubSpot. Here's a tip. Instead of scrolling through numerous entries, use the search bar and type in ZoomInfo. This will bring up precise results, saving you time. Once your search results appear, focus on the categories section. This helps narrow down the specific type of app you're looking for. In this case, you'll be looking for ZoomInfo Inbound Enrich, the exact app we want to integrate with HubSpot. Once you've found ZoomInfo Inbound Enrich, the next step is to install the app. Click the Install App button. This will start a typical installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully to complete the installation. Be sure to watch for any pop-ups asking for permissions or additional settings, as these are crucial to ensure your integration works seamlessly. And that's it. You've successfully integrated ZoomInfo with HubSpot. By following these steps, you can now leverage enriched data to fuel your business strategies, making them more efficient and productive. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tech tips and integration guides in our upcoming videos. Happy HubSpotting!